a great day. Thank you so much for having me. So you forget how easy crafting can be, and it's been absolutely brilliant fun. Like, it's unleashed all this creativity. Hi, my name's Jane and I run a company called Tea and Crafting. We're based in Covent Garden, and in essence we are a craft workshop space where we hold workshops most evenings during the week after work, and at the weekends we hold workshops, parties, so hen parties and baby showers and birthday parties. I love working with brands that I come across that I know that I would love to work with, and crafts that I love to do, such as Happy Fabric, and we help promote their brands, and we bring crafters together and we really just have a 2 to 3 hour session of just crafting fun. Had a great day. Thank you so much for having me. It was really great and just really wonderful just to be able to, in about 3 or 4 hours, make about 4 projects, and you forget how easy crafting can be and how you don't need to have specialist items and specialist craft equipment. A simple iron will do, the vinyl, which is just so easy to get hold of, and scissors. Yes, and I think I could probably say that some of the stuff looks almost shop bought as well. It's been wonderful crafting with Hayley and Marnie today. I don't know, when 3 crafters get together, it's just non-stop, and one idea leads to another, and I'm amazed we got 4 projects done in the short amount of time that I've been here. It's been absolutely brilliant fun. It's even fun when I craft by myself, so like crafting with 2 other craft addicts is just amazing and pretty awesome. So thanks so much for such a wonderful day. It's like it's unleashed all this creativity, and it's so nice just to get away from the day-to-day business admin of running a business and just to craft. And to have fun making things with your hands, and to make for other people as well. Couldn't ask for anything more, so thanks so much, guys.